How to fix no longer have access to these Facebook problem. So if you want to fix the problem of no longer have access to these, which is your email or your mobile number, then you need to open up your Google or your browser, anything that you're comfortable with, and then go with the search, and under search you need to search for Facebook account compromised, and then tap on report compromised account, and then here it will take you to this kind of page where tap on my account is compromised, and then you need to choose login to another account, and you need to enter the email address or mobile number even if you don't have access to, and then you can simply enter the password, or if you don't have access to your password, then first make sure that go to the upper right of that three dots. First make sure to go to the upper right, which has that three dots, and then tap on desktop site. Once you're in the desktop site, it will take you to the login page, and under your desktop site you need to enter the email address, and then you need to tap on forgotten password if you don't remember your password, and then it will take you to find your account page where you need to enter the email address or mobile number, whichever you're comfortable with, and tap on search. And then here you will get some kind of option, so you can use your Google account if you're not being able to log in, or you can simply receive a code to the email address or the recovery email address, or you can enter your password to log in. So you can simply choose any one of these options and then tap on continue, and you will receive the code whichever option you've chosen, either if it's your mobile number or your WhatsApp or your email, like that, and then you will receive the code. So enter the code from those accounts, and then once you enter the code, you'll be able to reset your password and you will be able to log into your account. So that's how you can fix no longer have access to these Facebook problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.